Zhongshan Gastek Home Appliance Company, Limited, is located in Zhongshan City, the Pearl River Delta of Guangdong. With very convenient transportation, it's established in 2011. Since 2011, we have been committed to the development, production and sales of different types of gas water heaters, in order to provide more comfortable and safe hot water experiences. From conventional flue exhausted gas water heater to fan, forced exhausted gas water heater. From 5L for kitchens to 24L gas water heaters for bathing. In the whole house. From outdoor installation to indoor installation gas water heater, we can provide different product solutions. Since establishment, we have assisted our clients from such as Australia, Russia, Ukraine, the European Union, South Africa, and North America to obtain relevant product certifications. Because we have a professional, responsible, practical and diligent team. Advanced ERP management system. Strong supply chain management capabilities, excellent R&D capabilities. Meticulous production management. Perfect quality control procedures, and timely and accurate delivery of orders. Sophisticated warehousing and logistics support services ensure that we can provide one-stop product solutions and timely and accurate delivery of orders. In the past 10 years, we have delivered millions of gas water heaters to our clients. Let's listen to the voices of some colleagues who have worked here for 10 years. In the past 10 years, there have been countless water heaters passing through my hands. And there have been no major mistakes in my work. I am very proud that I have been working here so long. I have been doing packaging work, which is relatively hard. But I have received a lot of help and support from my colleagues here. Thank you very much. We deeply express our gratitude to our customers for their trust, understanding and support in the past. We will continue to provide high-quality, efficient, environmentally friendly, energy-saving and comfortable products, and be your reliable partner. To be your reliable partner,